And thank you for participating 430th Silangtown Fiesta in honor of Nuestra Señora de Candelaria, the Grand Parade, the Marching Band Competition 2025. And huwag po munang umalis at hindi pa po tapos ang ating programa ngayong umagang ito. We'd like to announce representative po ng Kabalikat for your IDs. Once again, congratulations San Miguel Band, Alfonso Cavite. At ngayon naman,